Hi guys, this is Dr. Swapnil Sagar Jain, consultant homeopathic physician, and today in this video I'll be discussing about the diet for the hypothyroid patient. What should we eat and what should we avoid in a patient of hypothyroidism. Along with this, I'll also let you know what is the best diet plan for a hypothyroid patient. So watch this video till end and enjoy. So let's start, and first we should know that the hypothyroidism slows down the body's metabolism. This causes a worrisome weight gain as a major side effect for an individual. Constipation, hair loss, dry skin, fatigue, and changes in menstrual cycle are its other accompanying side effects. So, what are the foods to incorporate in diet plan for hypothyroidism? So number one is the cereals. Consume up to 7 to 9 servings of cereals, and one serving is equal to 30 grams raw cereal, and throughout the day whole grains should be selected over refined cereals. Fiber rich whole grain relief from constipation and aids in weight loss. Opt for the following cereals: oats, porridge, upma or pancakes, quinoa, salad, quinoa, missi roti or upma, rice, brown rice and black rice are good, and millets, bajra and jowar roti or mixed flour thali peet. These are the kinds of oats you can take, and whole wheat and broken wheat, chapatis or khakras, broken wheat upma or dalia with milk you can take with ease, and dals and pulses. This food group is considered as a power packed energy giving food group, and dals and pulses are not only rich in proteins and fiber but also rich in phytonutrients and antioxidants. They are low in fat. The high protein content helps in regulation of thyroid hormone and in reducing fatigue. They also help in weight reduction. Recommendation is up to 2 to 3 servings per day, and one servings is equal to 30 grams raw. Variety of dals and pulses like moong, moth beans, chauli, rajma, chickpea, chana, kidney beans, etc. can be included. Next comes is the nuts and oil seeds. Omega-3 rich nuts like walnuts and flax seeds help in reducing the body stress and boosts immunity. They also helps to maintain integrity of brain cells. Nuts such as Brazil nuts are rich in selenium, which helps in thyroid gland stimulation and action. Restrict the nuts to only 2-3 nuts per day as they are high in fat content, and milk and milk products are also very important, and as they are rich in calcium and proteins, and milk products from an integral part of Indian diet plan for hypothyroidism as they help in functionality of thyroid gland. Calcium maintains the muscle activity while proteins help in the transport of thyroid hormone throughout the body. Vitamin D present in milk keeps the hormone pathway in check. Select low fat milk, curd, buttermilk or paneer, 2 to 3 servings per day. One serving is equal to 150 ml of cow's milk. The next is the vegetables and fruits. Antioxidant rich variety of fruits and vegetables reduces body's stress and also maintain skin healthy. It boosts immunity and otherwise compromised in hypothyroidism. Have at least 5 to 6 servings per day of colorful vegetables and fruits, and one serving is equal to 100 grams raw. Try various forms like detox water, salad, soups, juices, and boiled, stewed or grilled veggies you can use, and iodized salt is one of the best remedies to use iodized salt in diet. Iodized salt has almost 30% daily required iodine per gram of salt. Now we will discuss about the foods to avoid in diet plan for hypothyroidism. So goitrogens are the foods that hinder the thyroid gland activity and absorption of iodine from the blood. These foods are cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like kale, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts interfere with thyroid production when consumed raw. Cooking decreases the effect although on hypothyroid patients with iodine deficiency. Number second is the food containing gluten. Gluten present in wheat and some other grains may cause severe stomach upset if you suffer from gluten intolerance. Irritable bowel lining can hamper absorption of thyroid medications. Gluten intolerance due to an autoimmune disorder called celiac disease is common in hypothyroid patients. Now comes is the high fat food, and high fat food
slows down the already sluggish metabolism and offer additional weight gain. You can take low fat, high fiber food as thyroid diet for weight loss. Additionally, high fiber intake can ease constipation, which is common in hypothyroidism. After that, caffeinated drinks and alcohol, you should avoid these types of drinks and beverages like coffee, tea, alcohol can irritate thyroid tissues and hamper thyroid production. Hence, these should be completely avoided. Sugar loaded food, yes, these are the very important factor which you have to avoid if you are a patient of hypothyroidism. And sugar foods like sweets, dog nuts and chocolates, ice creams will accelerate weight gain in patients with hypothyroidism. Extra sugar also contributes to mood swings, depression and fatigue like symptoms. Now I'll be discussing about the diet plan for hypothyroidism, and according to me this is one of the best diet plan for a patient of hypothyroidism. And in early morning you have to take one warm water with lemon. Remember, if you have any type of allergy with lemon, then you have to avoid lemon, and you can drink simple warm water, 1 glass at least, and you can also take 2 to 3 glass with ease. Breakfast, you have to take 1 cup oats upma or capsicum or vermicelli upma with veggies, 1 bowl plus ginger plus lemon tea. And remember, please do not add milk in that. After that, 1 cup mid morning, 1 medium sized orange, green or red apple, 1 cup grapefruit or 1 cup watermelon you can take easily. Now we will talk about lunch, and in lunch you can take 1 cup salad excluding cruciferous vegetables as I have told earlier, and 1 cup brown rice or broken wheat dalia or 2 small fulka roti which should be fatless, plus vegetable 1 cup plus 1 cup dal and 1 cup curd you can take with ease. After lunch, that is the post lunch, you can take 1 glass buttermilk or 1 cup green tea, or along with this you have to walk for 15 minutes at least. In evening snack you can take 1 cup green tea plus 2-3 walnuts or Brazil nuts. In late evening you can take 1 cup vegetable soup not strained. You can take bone broth 1 cup. If we take dinner late in night, then it causes weight gain, and weight gain is the main problem of hypothyroid patient. In dinner you can take 1 cup salad. You have to remember to exclude cruciferous vegetables, plus 2 fatless bajra or jowar roti, mixed flour roti, plus 1 cup cooked bottle gourd, ridge gourd or carrot vegetable, plus 1 cup curd you can take with ease. Post dinner, if you need something, you can take 1 cup warm water with lemon if you are not allergic to lemon, plus 15 minutes walking. And at bedtime you should take 1 cup turmeric tea. Boil water, add 1 full teaspoonful of turmeric in it, 1/4 teaspoonful of black pepper powder and 1/4 tsp of virgin coconut oil. And this turmeric tea is excellent to activate your thyroid gland to produce more thyroid hormone. Regular intake can also help you get rid of the medicines if you are newly detected. Thank you very much. This is all about the diet of hypothyroidism.